Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Knowing when your iPhone or iPad has been fully charged can be helpful depending on the circumstances. Maybe you are waiting for your iPhone to reach 100% of battery before leaving home, or maybe you just don't like to keep your device plugged in once the battery has been fully charged. Whatever your reason may be, there is a way to be alerted the minute your iPhone or iPad has reached a full charge. Using the Shortcuts app, we will create a personal automation that will run when the battery level reaches 100%. At that time, we will have different options as to how we want to be alerted. Open the Shortcuts app on your device. Select the automation task at the bottom. Select Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and select Battery Level on the trigger of your new automation. Move the slider all the way to the right so that the automation trigger when the battery level equals 100%. Select Next when done. Now we are going to choose what action is taken when our trigger is pulled. Tap the Add Action button. From there, we can pick from a large number of options. The two that seems to make the most sense are to either receive a notification on the phone or get Siri to speak to us to let us know the device is fully charged. Personally, I want Siri to tell me my iPhone is charged. In the search box, type for speak. And choose speak text from here. Now tap the blue next label at the top and start typing what you want Siri to tell you once your battery is at 100%. So I choose your iPhone is fully charged. Select Next. Finally, make sure Disable Ask Before Running prompt. Select Don't Ask so that the automation can run without your input. Tap Done to finish. Siri will let you know every time your device's battery reaches 100%. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.